Alright friends, Mo Mummy. Have you ever seen a grand this big? This is the biggest grand I've ever seen on like a regular limit Mo Mummy machine. Happy 4th of July week, by the way. And let's say someone just hit this bonus, 75 cents, and didn't do backup spins. Now this machine is cool. Oh, Mr. Mummy. Oh wow, please. 45. Hello, first spin magic. So this machine is cool because I haven't seen them that often. First of all, it's cool because the grand is almost $13,000. I don't know when it's been hit last. But max bet is $375, not $750. Usually it's $750, you know. On most of the penny machines, it's $750 for max, and this one is half that. So, you know, if any of you are like believers, which I've heard online too about like Mr. Mummy, that if you're max betting on low denominations, it's better than, oh my goodness, these numbers triple. Hello. If you're max betting on lower numbers, it's better than, like, let's say you're betting 225 on here and it's max, for example. It's better than doing 225 on 5 cents because it's more likely to hit when you're max betting. Now, I don't know the truth to that. I think there's something to that for sure. Speaking of max bet, let's see. Now, the progressives are obviously bigger on 5 cent compared to 1 cent, but you're more likely to get bonuses on 1 cent. So, my God, we keep seeing this $45 number. Hello, back to back. We keep seeing that $45 number to trigger. I think it's been plenty long without a bonus, Mr. Mummy. Oh my God, again, the $45 number is coming in. Okay, 11. I think we're due for, holy. What do you guys think? Are we due? Doo-doo? Let's change it a little bit. 45, drop it in, it was right up there. But we don't know why I did that. We don't know why I did that. Yeah. Okay. So we'd like to see a haywire. We'd like to actually see the bonus on a regular trigger, not even a haywire. You know? Mr. Mummy, come on. Come on across the screen, please. Oh. Do it. I mean, someone just hit a 4 trigger free spins bonus. Random pop? Nope. Go back to 150 because that's when our thing popped up, the little mummy friend. But I've never seen a grand this big. It just like hasn't been hit in ages. How long has this game been out? For a little over a year or something, so. There you are. Mr. Mummy. Is this why the grand has never been hit? Cash collect. Where are you at? Where are those $45 numbers? Okay. Trigger it. Nope. Do it. Mr. Mummy. I don't know why he left the screen, but he needs to come right back right now. Triple. Come on now. Don't do that. Pop it. Okay, we'll be right back with a little bit more. Alright, friends. Let's try some 250 at 5 cents. You know? You know? Okay. This one up. We like that. Okay. So the grand can only be won when the jackpot feature triggers, but thank you, Mr. Mummy. Suncoast, Mo Mummy. Come on. Cash collect. 250 bet. Can we get something huge? Can we get a few minors to drop? Why not, you know? Oh, Mr. Mummy, our best friend, Mummy. Excuse me? None of that. More greens? Okay. 3 for 3 spins. We can definitely do this, people. Oh, that was a green one. Okay, we got this. Oh, one more would have been very helpful. Okay, Mr. Mummy, we need your help. Oh. Wow. That was a little bit, you know, anticlimactic. That grand is so big. It's fun to get the feature, but we haven't been getting past the first and second page a lot lately. Which is pretty tough, you know. Back to back. We needed your last spin, buddy. Mr. Mummy, where are you going? We'd like to see a haywire, right? So it's been really hard to hit the past few, and we're not playing at the same place every day. We're not playing the same machine, so the fact that it's so hard to get past the second page is kind of crazy. You know, I didn't connect. Mr. Money, where are you going with everybody's money? Come back and give us that grand. We'd like to get the jackpot feature just for, you know, the chance. What? That didn't line up. Okay. A little bit not great over there after that kind of sad bonus. You know, as I like to say, it left something to be desired. I don't like to say it, but it's true. It happens too often. As of late. Okay. Was it just like here's one bonus and there's no more gems? I mean, this grand is so big for a reason, people, I think. Wow, this is like the, we were playing Mystery of the Lamp the other day, and we just got like one bonus, and then she gave us no more gems, just no more chances after. It was crazy. Let's see if it wants to give a tiny one. Okay, it does. I was gonna say, let's see if it wants to give a tiny little bonus. Please. Okay. Okay. You know, this is a small bet, so it can give more big ones. Whenever I trigger it on a big bet, it just gives like small numbers after that too, but... Hello? Green? Okay, more. Oh, okay. We get past the first page and get a little bit of money on that. Okay. That was a good one, but... Okay, we like to have 3 extra spins. We like to get something huge. Yes, more. It can drop some pretty big numbers. We want it to. That many, $10. Thank you for that. Green. Oh, green. What was that? Okay, one more green. Bam. Right there. No one knows why I didn't come home. Okay. Small values, but you know, trying to make it work. Ammo for the grand, right? Ammo for the grand. Sometimes the game just doesn't want to give big bonuses and you have to accept it. Whoa, hello. More. Oh. Okay. Mummy, mummy, mummy. Little, little mummy, please give us more. Okay, we get to the last page, people. At least we got to one last page. But it's, of course, on the small bet. We appreciate it. One extra spin. What is it going to drop? Everything? It's going to drop 10 minors. The grand? It can't drop the grand. But we can hope. Bam. Wow. Look at that grand, people. The biggest grand I've ever seen on this machine. It's usually, it must hit like pretty often in most casinos, because most of the time it's at like 8,000, you know, 8,500, 9,000, something like that, you know. It's always relatively like around that same size. He keeps wanting to show up. I usually see it at like, yeah. I mean, we've played it so many times, we see it all the time. 8,000, 8,500. It is never led to get that big. Unless the machine is crazy, right? Like this one? Okay. If the cash collect would just fall on the first reel, we have a chance, because... go back to this. Just move around a little bit. Wild, wild. Come on. Hello? Oh. We had such a crazy session the other day, too. It was like, we had like 40, 50 spins or something. Maddening. Got some good money inside of it, you know. We had fun getting that many spins, that's for sure. Jackpot feature, that's the one we want to... We want cash collect usually, but because this grand is so big, we want a chance at that ridiculous grand. Do it. We're not gonna try too much. We're gonna go find some other machines, grab some lunch and stuff too. Maybe come back. Okay. Whoa, what was I saying? Excuse me for saying that. I meant we're gonna stay here until we win the grand. That's what I meant to say. Look at that grand, people. Look at the biggest grand I've ever seen. Wow, triggering on these is pretty fun, you know? Oh. Triggering without the mummy showing up is pretty crazy. So, 150 bet. Maybe it just wants to give a bonus every minimum denomination bet. Now, let's go further. More, okay. 2 per spin is very fine. 2 per spin is very fine. Yes. Whoa. We want those ones to fall in. Inside our little beautiful box. Okay, Mr. Mummy? Okay. Yes, more. Okay. Oh, we get past the first page at least. 3 extra spins. Let's go. Yes, more. Wow. Hello, okay. A lot of baby size ones now. This is 2x. They're all about the same as our bet size. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Oh, more. Oh, okay. Alright, alright. Can we win the grand? Can we win the grand? 2 extra spins with 1 added here. Okay, we like it. We like it, Mr. Mummy. Green. Huge one. Okay. We need some huge ones, right? Huge. Minor. Okay, we don't know what that was all about. Yes, more. Oh, why? Tell me why. Why did you fall outside my mummy? More? Okay, more? Oh, okay. Well, last page. Again. guys. Look at that grand. Just everyone focus on that, and somehow will we get it. More. Bigglesworth. We need some Bigglesworth. Okay. Bam. Okay. Well, not the worst. 70. Right? 70 something dollars. Thank you, mommy. That grand. So big. So lovely. 71. I think we're like just about even, which is crazy. I like how it triggered without, you know, needing the cash collect. Wild, wild. We haven't gotten one jackpot because I know it's going to give us the grand when it does. Let's go to 5 cent now. Let's continue our trend with minimum bet on each denomination. 2 more. Okay, just trigger. Oh, I was fully expecting it to. It's like, you have to be optimistic. Come on. We haven't seen a haywire. Do it. Oh. Okay. 250. We have 140 in there. Okay. Keep going. Boo, 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 boo. Mr. Mummy, what's going on up there? Where's our haywire? 2 more. Okay. Do it. It's been really hard to get this jackpot feature. Any feature is hard in any slot machine, right? Okay, there it is. I wonder when it's gonna go off and what bet size it's gonna go off on. Like, do you have to be betting max to get it? Make this epic. It's gonna be the last one. If it was gonna be. Bingo session going on, people. Oh yeah. Okay. Machine is a little bit finicky right now. Oh, whoops. That grand. Free game. Do a couple more at 225. Why did I line up? Nope, it did not. Oh. Okay. That was only $6.90. Pop it. Yeah. Boom. Just the growing. Oh, it's right up there. Of course it was. Okay. I think we're just gonna take this and run. We'll come back. We're gonna grab something to eat. But thank you for watching. That was crazy. That's the biggest grand I've ever seen, people. Biggest grand I've ever seen. We'll be back to win it. Thanks for watching.